Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this very stylish MOSILA table fan. The very positive things here are the modern style, the powerful brushless motor, the simple one-button control, very flexible mount, and a very quiet operation. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get and then how we can use it. By the way, the model type is M55. And so here we have everything nicely packaged. Comes with a user manual and the charging cable. And also this really nice wall mount. You can see it includes even a sticker. So we can just remove the protection and stick it on a wall. But of course you can also use your own screw or nail. Comes even with some short instructions manual. Charging cable is USB-A to USB-C. This is exactly what we want to see. And so here we have this very beautiful desktop fan. It's adjustable pretty much 90 degrees. And so here in the back we have this push button. We just press one time, then it starts automatically. And as you can hear, it's very quiet. When we push again, goes into second level. And we push again, goes into strongest fan. It's definitely blowing very strong. You can see that here the airstream can even reach up to 70 feet distance. And it's an absolute beauty from all the sides. And it has a very safe stand. By the way, it comes also with this soft rubber feet, comes even with a standard tripod mount if you need that. And again, the opening for the hook here, so it's super flexible how to mount or just use it like that on your desktop. And again, on level 1, it's so quiet, we can barely hear that. That would be absolutely perfect for a bedroom. So here we can see the 3 different speed settings. When we click again, goes into stop, but we can stop it from any position with a long press as well. And its awesome design allows also for easy cleaning. So we rotate the inside counterclockwise, and then we can lift up the inside. Take it out, and so we have full access to this part and also to the blade itself, so we can easily clean it here from the inside. After that we just put it inside again, align the notches, push it down and rotate it clockwise to secure it. By the way, the battery sits here in the back, but it's totally maintenance free. And the charge is very easy from below. We can charge it from any USB-A power source, even from a power bank. And we can even run it while it's being charged. So I really love this fan. Small, beautiful, powerful, very versatile. Could be also a very nice gift for this summer. So I think it's a really nice thing, absolutely beautiful, very stylish. It's definitely also pretty quiet. I mean, it's not super quiet. I have seen fans which are more quiet than this one here, but I would say for the noise it's very strong, or for the strength it's pretty quiet. As a quick comparison, I can show you these 2 fans. Maybe this is more the old style which we had. I mean, it's a nice thing and it has this oscillation, but it is definitely louder. And I mean, this fan was one of the most quiet fans I have found about 2 years ago. And when we run them side by side, and I would say they produce about same amount of air, same airflow, same air speed. And I would say 90% of the noise is coming from the left side, not from this thing. So I can remove it. You can see that here. Now I remove this one. Yeah, huge difference, definitely. This one is much more stylish and much more powerful. I love this new design. The only 2 missing functions are the missing automatic oscillation, so it doesn't automatically move up and down or left to right. And I also couldn't find any kind of charge indicator. I mean, this is just the indicator of the speed which we have here, but I think there is no charge indicator, which would have been nice for a rechargeable fan. Other than that, there is really nothing negative to find. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.